Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinswad, Pune. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic known as oral contraceptives. After watching this video, students will able to explain the following terms regarding to oral contraceptives. Introduction, medication, dosage form available, drug of choice, adverse effect and contraindications. Oral contraceptives are known as birth control pills, are prescription medication that prevent pregnancy. Birth control medications contain hormones estrogen and progesterone or progesterone alone. Birth control pills may also be prescribed to reduce menstrual cramps or prevent anemia. Some women experience various levels of side effect of birth control pills. How birth control medication work? Hormonal birth control medication prevent pregnancy through the following ways. By blocking ovulation, that is release of an egg from the ovaries, thus preventing pregnancy. By altering mucus in the cervix, which makes it hard for sperm to travel further. By changing the endometrium lining of the uterus so that it cannot support a fertilized egg. By altering the fallopian tubes, the tubes through which eggs move from the ovaries to the uterus, so that they cannot effectively move eggs towards the uterus. Available dosage form birth control, that is contraceptive medications, contain hormones estrogen and progesterone or progesterone alone. The medication are available in various forms such as pills, injection into muscle, topical into skin, patches and slow release system, that is vaginal rings, skin implants and contraceptive infused intrauterine devices. How to choose the drug? Choosing which estrogen and progesterone dose type and administration method is highly patient specific, meaning that the choice greatly depends on factor unique to an individual. General goals are to choose a product that provide good menstrual cycle, control with the fewest adverse side effect and to use the lowest hormone dose possible. After beginning birth control medications, it may be necessary to adjust the dose or to choose a different product. Drugs available: estrogen, ethinyl estradiol, menstranol, progesterone, norethindrone, northiodrone, northiodrone acetate, norgestimetate, diogestrel, ethinodiol, norgestrel, levonorgestrel, drospirenone. Hormone containing contraceptive. Combination contraceptives, that is contraceptive medication containing both estrogen and progesterone, are the most effective means for contraception with the exception of surgical sterilization. Several types of combination birth control pills exist, including monophasic pills, biphasic pills, triphasic pills, and 91-day cycle pills. How birth control medication work? Hormonal birth control medication prevent pregnancy through the following ways. By blocking ovulation, that is release of an egg from the ovaries, thus preventing pregnancy. By altering mucus in the cervix, which makes it hard for sperm to travel further. By changing the endometrium lining of the uterus so that side effect: nausea, breast tenderness, fluid retention, weight gain, breakthrough bleeding, missed period, headache, change in vision, other mood changes, and lower sexual desire. Additionally, the following more serious side effect may occur, that is breast cancer, blood clot, cervical cancer, beginning liver tumors and diabetes. Drug interaction. The effective of COC, POP and EHC will be reduced by interaction with drugs that are enzyme inducers. Broad spectrum antibiotics may reduce effectiveness of COC by altering the bacterial flora of the bowel. Overdose. If overdose is suspected, contact to your local poison control center or emergency room immediately. Symptoms of overdose may include nausea and vomiting. Females may experience vaginal bleeding. Misdose. Misdose advice differs and depends on brand use and the number of doses missed. Refer to the product package information for advice on misdose. Ask your doctor or pharmacist if you have any queries. Storage. The oral contraceptives are stored at room temperature between 59 and 65 degree Fahrenheit between 50 to 30 degrees Celsius from moisture and sunlight. Do not store in bathroom. Thank you.